What is preferential transfer avoidance? Have you ever wondered how bankruptcy law ensures fairness among creditors? One important concept in this area is called preferential transfer avoidance. This legal process helps undo certain payments made by a debtor before they file for bankruptcy. The main aim is to make sure that all creditors are treated equally and that no single creditor gains an unfair advantage. So, what exactly is a preferential transfer? It happens when a debtor pays one creditor while still owing money to others. This payment gives that creditor a better position compared to the rest. For instance, if someone pays off a family member just before filing for bankruptcy, that could be seen as unfair to other creditors who are not paid. There are specific rules that define what a preferential transfer is. First, the payment must be made to a creditor for a debt that existed before the payment. Second, the debtor must be insolvent, meaning they cannot pay their debts. Lastly, this payment must occur within a certain time frame before filing for bankruptcy. For most creditors, this time frame is 90 days. However, if the creditor is an insider, like a family member or close business associate, the look-back period extends to 1 year. If a transfer meets all these conditions, the bankruptcy trustee can avoid the transfer. In legal terms, to avoid means to reverse or undo the payment. The trustee can then recover the money or property and add it back to the bankruptcy estate. This ensures that all creditors have a fair chance to recover what they are owed. There are exceptions to these rules. Payments made in the ordinary course of business, such as regular monthly bills, are generally not considered preferential. Additionally, if the debtor receives new value in exchange for a payment, that payment might not be classified as preferential. Understanding preferential transfer avoidance is essential for both debtors and creditors. Debtors should be cautious about making large or unusual payments to friends, family, or certain creditors right before filing for bankruptcy. Such payments could be reversed by the trustee. Creditors who receive payments during the look-back period should be aware that those payments might be challenged and recovered. In practical terms, preferential transfer avoidance helps maintain fairness in bankruptcy. It prevents certain creditors from receiving more than their fair share, ensuring that all unsecured creditors have an equal opportunity to recover some of what they are owed. This process is a key part of how bankruptcy law works to balance the interests of both debtors and creditors.